Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Peter Fissner. How are you doing, guys? So, an old hard drive, yes, an old hard drive. I was talking in the videos before that you could use magnets from it, okay? So, what's inside the hard drive? You get a PCB, okay? PCB. We will look at it under the microscope. You get insulation here, so it's non-conductive insulation, and then you get a frame chassis, yes, of the hard drive. I won't show you this under microscope, that's not something relevant. And I've opened it, and that's how it's look like. For those who haven't seen it ever, there were people who were buying these plates. I don't know who's buying them now anymore. They are made of some probably more valuable material, but I don't know which one to be true. And there is a magnet. Where is the magnet? Here is the magnet. Okay, it's really strong magnet. Not on this side. Yes, on this side it's not that strong, but on the other side it's really strong. So I'll remove this magnet, but I want to show you this PCB underneath the scope. Okay, and so you get a regular SATA connector here at the top. Let's put some light on. Let's adjust how we see things. It's a, you see, SATA connector. This drive is from 2008 and it still had it, so that's how it's old and it's still good. No need to replace with a newer one. Then you get some chip, probably the main controller, what it has here. Okay, connectors to connect with the inside of the hard drive, and that's, I don't know, maybe memory buffer or something. I don't know, don't quote me. You can Google it yourself what it is. And that's looking like the BIOS in laptops, so this can be maybe some firmware or something. Where's my finger? Trying to locate my finger. I don't know what this chip would be good for. Okay, now you got it. So okay, this part and now this part. Let's make, see, this is the center of those plates. Those plates are going up to the edge here, and you get a magnet. Remove the lightning. Yeah, more crispy now. So yeah, and then you've got some controller here which controls this motor, or I don't think it's even a controller, guys. This one is looking to me like the signal is coming from the controller, and that's what's doing. And then the head is walking. That's why it's not, you can't touch the hard drive because you can scratch the surface. Yes, that's why I'm telling to my customers, if you've got a hard drive and you don't want to replace it with an SSD, it's a plate inside which is turning 5,400 RPM, 7,200 RPMs or more, and that's what it is. Yes, I'll pause and I'll remove this magnet so you will see this magnet a bit better. Yes, I think there are two magnets. I was wrong the other day when I was talking that some of them have one, some of them have two, because this one has two as well, magnets. Let's make it closer. Sorry guys if it's too loud. But this way you can see better. Okay, so now I've unscrewed two screws, and let us see, that's how strong it is. It's really strong, you can really hurt your finger on it. So that's one of two magnets. Then you get this head, and you can remove this head as well. Well, there are two screws here, which is holding this PCB, small PCB, which goes to the other side and connects. See, that connects with the second part here. And then you've got this one, and this one, I don't know if that holds on this or something. That's too small. If I've got anything to quickly show you, then I will. If I don't, I won't. Yeah, this one works for me. So let's do this one. Okay. No. How to get you out? I'll look under the magnifying glass. Oh, there is a screw on the other side, guys. I'm thinking that I know things, but actually it's that I don't know things because it was on the other side. So here, once you've got it here, okay, so now we can get it out. And now it went out. Okay, so now we've got second magnet, which is holding on the last two screws here. I don't know what the size is. It the same size? Yeah, the same size, and we can get rid of the second magnet. Now I will check for those metals, and if it will be something really interesting, then I'll let you know in one of the videos. It's really strong. Look, that's small, and the PC version, the desktop version, it's even better. You see, I'm struggling to. It's beyond my comfort zone, and they are touching really nicely, like surface to surface. It's really something great. It's a lot of power, because when we've got these ones, yes, the small ones, they've got small surface, okay, then they are strong, but these are small. So even if you take twice bigger one, then it's it's not the. But here you've got a lot of surface on them, and that's what's causing their strength to increase. Yes. Oh, look, they are not willing to go off easy. Ouch. I've hurt myself gently, but still. Oh, see, they are really strong. So if you're gonna do the wind turbine or something, or some generator, it's better to use neodymium magnets from old hard drives, because these are really strong. If you have any questions about them, you can leave it down, but you can get a lot of faulty hard drives for peanuts or for free from people, and you can really make a wind turbine from them. Yes, or some other generator, which is more than possible to do it. Of course, if you would like to do it properly, you need some angle grinder or something. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, you little. Let's move them aside, flat, or like that, and now I will be able to do it. If they are completely stuck one to another, it's really challenging to remove them, especially if you've got those stuff popping out from them. So if you want to use them, and if you want to mount them, look, they've got screw holes here. Yes, they've got screw hole here. This has a screw hole here as well, and here, and even two at the bottom. But you would have to remove what's up here. Yes, because that might not be something what you want. So that's the only downside of it. I don't know if I will get a plier. I will get some pliers here. Am I able to do something with those pliers? Okay, you can get. Look, it's breaking quite easily. So you don't need to use angle grinder. You can just literally do like that, as I did. Because if I did it, you can do it as well. Yeah. So look, and now we've got a flat surface. Okay, so hopefully you've got a good value out of this video. That's it. That's all what I wanted to show you. Now you know what's inside the hard drive, and now you know that the head don't have a controller here. It's only the connector and some capacitance correction, so some few capacitors or resistors or something. Yeah, 2 capacitors and some other component. So that's it, and then the controller, it's here. And that's it in this video, guys. If you did like, thank you for that. Thank you for liking the video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.